Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my mozzarella chicken with this grill masters, y'all. I want y'all to try this. First, you need to get your chicken breast and use a saucer to make it flat. Just get a saucer and do it like that to make it flat if you don't have a meat grinder. And I hate to use one of those meat mallets because it's, they stick in there and I don't like that. So anyway, what we're going to do, we got them flat just like that on both sides. So what I'm going to do is going to show you how to season this. First you're going to need to use the season just like that, heavily seasoned. Let's get in the camera, y'all. Okay, is I'm in the camera. There you go. Heavily seasoned and season on the back, just like that. Just like I'm using one hand, y'all. Just like that. And then you use some black pepper. I love black pepper on stuff, y'all. I'm sorry. Black pepper. Like that. And then you're going to use some breadcrumbs. Now you can put garlic on this if you like. And I'm going to put some garlic on it, y'all. I'm going to get a spoon over here. And put a little garlic in there. Just a little garlic over there. Just a little like that. How about that? It depends how much garlic you want. Just sprinkle that over there like that. Over the chicken. Just make sure it's all over the chicken. This is a good chicken, y'all. And then we're going to use the breadcrumbs just on the top. Just on the top. Not the bottom, just the top. Heavy with the breadcrumbs. And then we're going to add parsley flakes. Like that. Not so much like I just did. And then we're going to add it to a greased pan just like that. And we're going to put it in the oven until it is golden brown, and we'll be right back. All right, here's our beautiful, yes, our beautiful chicken, y'all. Our beautiful mozzarella chicken. Oh.